fun.
Yo, what's up, vlog? Look who we found.
That's great, man.
He didn't even know I was a YouTuber. Okay, so the first thing that we did when I got to Cologne was go watch Paul's rec basketball team. They got blown out by like 20 points by the end of it, but whenever Paul was in the game at the start, when he got subbed out, they were up by 10, so it's all because they took him out. The referee was an absolute mad lad, kept coming over to us and like doing crazy hook shots. Anyways, pretty entertaining, and got to meet a bunch of the boys that I was going to hang out with for the next 2 days, so pretty good stuff. Paul's not a hooper yet. Dortmund won, Bayern 0. God bless, I didn't spend 400 euros going to this game.
Look at this.
Let's go, 1-1.
It was good by Gladly though.
Yeah, the two substitutes, well, two of the substitutes. Thomas Muller, my go.
Like 2 minutes. That's 2 minutes.
Just like that, 2-1 Bayern, Serge Gnabry. 2-2. Okay, so we're eating at a place in Cologne, and they refill your drink and mark it on this coaster if it's empty. So if you don't want any more, you have to cover your beer with your coaster, or else you'll just keep getting beers over and over and over again. It's pretty cool. Guys, didn't get the schnitzel food review yesterday, but we got the Himmel on Out food review today. Let's see. It tastes like frikandel. It is busting. Grilled onions on the sausage. No, I had frikandel in Cologne. It does not taste like Dutch frikandel. This tastes like frikandel.
No, this
tastes like Dutch frikandel. It tastes the exact same.
It does not.
Paul's got schnitzel, which I had schnitzel yesterday, and it was insanely good. The breading was fantastic, and Paul said his shit, so I'm gonna have to help him eat it. Let's go.
Shit schnitzel.
Odds we get off the train in Königsdorf, and as we get off, the security people get on to check tickets, and none of the 15 of us bought tickets to get here. This video is just a little example of some of the shenanigans the boys got up to on their way back from the night out in Cologne. Okay boys, it is, what, noon? Walking through Königsdorf, such a cute little town. Paul lives in here, and we're headed into Cologne for the last bit of my stay in Germany. Gotta check out the cathedral, of course. Guys, Paul put me on the Red Bulls. Feel like I'm a finance bro right now. Enjoying the square in front of the cathedral. Oh, sorry, what was I supposed to say? Yo, vlog, we're at the Cologne Cathedral, drinking some crazy Red Bull. Let's go! Like and subscribe. Stained glass here goes crazy.
Bro, you know what's crazy?
First time doing that in Europe. Let's go.
Auferstanden ist. Durch ihn, den du zu deiner Rechten erhöht hast, bitten wir dich, allmächtiger Gott, Sende deinen Geist auf diese Gaben herab und heilige sie. Damit
Up on the river over the Rhine in Cologne. Paul's down using the bathroom right now. But yeah, he said the Rhine rises up so much that you like can't even walk on this section at some point, so that's kind of crazy. I told him the water doesn't look too great, but maybe if it was sunny it'd be a lot prettier. Or maybe the river in Lyon is just that much more beautiful, eh? But no, we seen the cathedral, pretty cool. I say that all the time. It was like the stained glass, obviously in the Sagrada Familia is like insane, super unique, but the detail and like, I don't know, it was just beautiful, the stained glass in the Cologne Cathedral. I seen one in Frankfurt the other day and I was I wouldn't say very unimpressed, but like in Belgium, the stained glass was crazy at the little side part of the cathedral. But this was on a different level, like Cologne Cathedral. I almost want to say I like it more than the Sagrada, but the Sagrada was so like unique. It's insane, but it's definitely close. Headed to get a doner for lunch. Paul wanted to get one last night, but we didn't end up going, got too distracted. And then we're gonna go watch Königsdorf, the town he's from. They play in the 5th tier of Germany, so they're actually pretty decent. Because I think the top 4 are all in FIFA, or maybe just top 3, but you know, they're getting there maybe one day. And then I gotta leave at 7 from the airport on the Flixbus for 13 hours or whatever it is. That's gonna be lots of fun. Hopefully get some editing done. The Lucas Podolski kebab shop for lunch. Yes, sir. Get her India.
I love Döner.
Oh yeah. Whee! Paul's trying to ruin the outro to the Cologne vlog. Ready for my 13-hour Flixbus. Don't know when I'm gonna see this guy again. Pretty sad, I might cry. Oh well. We played soccer with all his buddies from last night, and it was lots of fun, like the indoor in Slevin Park, but there were walls, and yeah, great time. We did red ass for the losing team, and whenever our team lost, I got hit 3 times and no one else got hit, so that's wild. But anyways.
That's because you're Canadian, bro.
Yeah, they all hated me. It was kind of racist, but it's fine. No, great group of guys, lots of fun, even though I was only here for like a day and a half. Got a lot done. Cologne's a beautiful city, but not as great as Königsdorf.
Yeah,
Königsdorf.
Königsdorf.
Anyways, any last words, Paul?
Yeah, I want to see that video on YouTube.
Paul's my newest subscriber, so let's go. Peace.